humble, small house we lived. It's simple, warm but full of hope. But even then, I could already see the big dream in your eyes. One evening, I invited you for a coffee in one of the biggest big hotel in the city, and the rest is history. I was looking for a wife, a companion, a partner, a dreamer, and that is why within just a few months we are already living as husband and wife. Hey, so like it. We conceived our first child so quickly after knowing each other. And that moment changed everything. We realized life had become serious and we stepped into it together. Before we knew it, we were a parent of 2 chatting babies. Every day when I look at our child, I see your face in our daughter, Beauty, and your spirit and her gentle way. I see myself in her boldness. In Danny, I see my face. In Danny, I see my face, but your personality, your softness, your humor, your warmth, that is what love does. It lives through children. It never dies. Even though our journey had its fair share of up and down, I know the love you had for our children spoke volume about how much I mattered in your life. You never denied them a father. You never denied them a father. You never poisoned their hearts. Kumaliza na maliza ya mwisho. Instead, you centered them in love. I used to joke with you whenever the child visited me, telling you, Mimi ndio niko. Of course, it was always a lighter note, because deep down I respected the decision you made when you chose to move on with your life. I remember how we both trended years back. You had your story and I had mine. I'm truly sorry that my brand, my name, and my drama put you through difficult moments.